Take example of DJ Halli, KG Halli incident. I am not supporting this incident, and this is condemnable incident, and this our civil society, such incident should not be happen. But see this stationer attack, UAPA was involved. You may be aware that there is an incident happened in the Lal Killa during Kisan protest. There are so many police were attacked. UAPA was involved? No. Hardik Patel case was there in Gujarat. There are more than 17 people who have died. 9 police also died. In that all incident, not even a single UAPA was there. You may be aware the incident of Ram Rahim arrest. When Ram Rahim was convicted, there is a large scale violence was happened. 47 police personnel were murdered. How many? 47 police personnel. But no UAPA was there. So wherever a member of minority community involved, either a DJ Halli, KG Halli or in a Hubli case, there they immediately invoke UAPA. In Manipur, 60,000 FIRs. How many? 60,000 FIR. Not even one single UAPA. So these the conduct of the agencies, which gives a scope for a